Hi everyone, so today I am doing Kinder Surprise eggs. So these are all of the prizes that I didn't get from my disgusting Vegemite eating challenge. It was so disgusting I couldn't go on, so I had to leave these out. So now I'm showing you what is inside. So hopefully that you watched my Vegemite gross challenge. And so we are going to start off with this one. I'm gonna start. It's all crushed. So melty. So we're gonna try some chocolate, like always. So this is the thing that's got all chocolate all over it. Oh yeah, I've seen these. So they're sort of like little things that you do. Look at the instructions. I've seen them. They're like little things that flip in the air. One of my friends has the kangaroo. Okay. So it goes down like that. Steps to go like that. How's this work? So we paused it so that I could have a proper look at the instructions. So it stands up like that, and then we put. Is that a bunny? Yeah, that's a bunny. It looks a little like a dog, and then it flips. So that's the first prize. Going on to the next prize. This one's an orange one. I haven't had an orange one for ages, actually. Oh, I got Elsa. I think I have this. Oh wait, no. My sister has this girl. Does it come up there? So the cape is really pretty and long. So I got Elsa, and this is how you put her together. It's tricky trying to clip it together. There. And she has a stand where she stands up. Also, okay. I'll put the cake to the front so that you can see it, okay? So, I'll get the instructions out so that you guys can see. So there, you can get the little kids, the little ones. I have Spen, yeah. So, moving on, let's move the chocolate over here. That's going away. All the prizes. so far I think that the prizes are pretty cool. Another orange one, and I got I think this is from Frozen also. Yeah, I got the troll, I think, from Frozen. Yeah, I got the troll. So I'm really excited that I didn't get any doubles. So I actually will need the instructions for this because this is a little bit hard to put together. Yeah, see there. It's really slanted. So how I put them together is, oh, so that goes in there. First, that's it. And then you're moving something. Keep it together. So they're pretty cool toys. We got. So there, that's what it looks like. So these are all my toys, which I think are pretty cool. So that's all for today. Hit subscribe please so that you can watch more of my fantastic twin reviews toys videos. Yay! I love making these videos for you guys, so bye, see you next time. Thank you for watching.